Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and navigating to Content so you can access the video immediately. Once there, locate the target video by URL or ID. You need owner permission for private content. Now choose the subtitle workflow, upload a caption file, type and auto-sync, or use the auto-generated track as a base. Make sure you select the correct language first, because YouTube matches timestamps and speech patterns differently per language. You click Edit, open Subtitles, then Add Language and Add to begin. If you have an SRT or VTT, upload it now. That's the fastest route. Alternatively, choose Transcribe and Autosync to paste plain text. YouTube will align words to speech automatically. Once the track appears, scrub the timeline and adjust timestamps, split long lines, and insert speaker labels where needed. Take your time here, because precise timing improves readability and viewer retention. You should play the full video with captions on to catch errors and sync drift. Correct misheard words and punctuation before publishing. Once satisfied, click Publish so captions appear in playback settings. Viewers can toggle them on. If autosync produces large timing gaps or misses lines, export the captions, edit timestamps in a text editor, then re-upload the corrected SRT/VTT. If problems persist, clear browser cache or try another browser. That often resolves editor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.